Hey everyone, welcome to Alice's Kitchen. It's 2021. We are going to be sharing some new and exciting recipes with you. So today we are just making something very simple, quick and healthy. So what we are making today is a frozen yogurt cake. So I've got a cake tin here which has been lined with cling film. This is to make it easy for me to lift the cake up when it's ready. I've got here a blender that I'm going to be using. You can use any type of blender. You can use a food processor, but you just have to rinse it after every use. Mine is a NutriBullet. And for the cake itself, I've got 250 grams of bananas. I've got 250 grams of strawberries. And for blending, I'm also going to use natural Greek yogurt, so the one with no sugar added. And for this, it's 4 tablespoons per 250 grams of fruit. So I've blended my 250 grams of bananas with 4 tablespoons of yogurt. I'm just going to pour it into the cake tin to make my first layer. So just make sure you pull out the plastic so it's hanging on the sides and it's easier when you want to take it out. So now what I am going to do is I'm going to put it in the freezer for 15 minutes to set before I put my next layer. So if you don't want to use a cake tin, you can use your icy poles and just make it as just frozen yogurt sticks. The kids will still enjoy it. So now this is ready to go in the freezer. It'll be in there for about 15 minutes and then we'll add the next layer. So it's been 15 minutes, first layer is out. So whilst this was chilling, I blended my strawberries with the yogurt. So now we are going to add the layer of strawberries and then we'll return it to the fridge for another 15 minutes and then we'll be ready to enjoy our cake. So there we go. We've put our strawberry layer back into the freezer for 15 minutes and then I'll be back with the results. Okay, so our cake is ready. It's come out of the freezer now. So for the final layer, you might have to put it in there for an hour or so. Just wait until the top is firm. So with this, because it's a healthy option, the only thing I suggest serving it with is fruit. Unless if you don't want it to be healthy, then you can serve it with whatever you want. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to take it out in the plastic, and then this is why we use the cling film, because then it's easy to remove. And I'm going to remove the cling film and have the cake sitting on a plate for cutting. Don't worry, I'll show you. So this is our final product. So I've just come back from just doing a bit of exercise and I'm going to enjoy some of my yogurt cake. So I'm just gonna take a slice out of it and I'll enjoy it. I've just come back from doing my exercise and I'm about to cool down with my frozen yogurt cake. So to all my fitness friends out there, you don't have to miss out on the good things in life. You can make yourself something healthy, a healthy treat like this one, served with fruits, and it's just the best.